Now that we've gotten to this phase, how can we make our game more interesting? Can we guess? You can make your game more interesting by giving the player only 10 seconds to pop as many balloons as possible. Quite fun, right? Yes, so we want to make another variable, right? So that we give the player just 10 seconds. So you have just 10 seconds to pop as many balloons as you can. So now let's create a new variable. Let's say make a variable and let's call it time. Okay, so we've called our new variable time. So here is what the timer will do. So the timer will start at 10 seconds. Okay, then the timer will count down every second. Once the timer counts down and when it gets to zero, then the game will stop. So the timer will go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 until it gets to zero. And once it gets to zero, what happens? The game would stop. Now to add instructions to your time, okay, instructions for your time, you're not going to do it on the balloon sprite, you're going to do it on the stage sprite. So this is balloon, then so you see all your codes for your balloon here, and this is the backdrop. So I want you to click on the backdrop, the stage. This way you're going to write the code for your time. Now we want to go to control, sorry, events, when flag is clicked. Okay, so when I click on the start, what should happen? You want to go to variable because you want to set your time. Okay, set my time to what? 10. So it's going to start from 10. Your time is going to start from 10. And then you want the time to keep reducing, okay, by 1 every time. So we're going to so the timer will start from 10, then it's going to wait 1 second, okay. Once you wait 1 second, then the timer is going to reduce by 1. So we're going to change the time by -1. So that's how it's going to reduce. Okay, so 10 minus 1, 9. It waits is 1 second. 10, it's 9. Now 9 minus 1. Okay, so how do we now let this thing repeat itself? In order to repeat, like I mentioned before, you're going to use the repeat loop. So now we're going to use this repeat until, okay? So that's the one you're looking for, repeat until. So let's put that here, repeat until. So you're going to put it immediately after set time to 10. So that's where you're going to put it, repeat until. So you have a polygon. Where can we find a polygon to put in there? So that's operations. Okay, so we want to repeat this particular instruction until our time gets to 0. So until time equals what? 0. So this is what you're going to drag this equal to and put it in here. Now we're going to go back to our variable and bring in our time variable inside here. Okay, so repeat until time equals 0. Repeat until time equals 0. And when time equals 0, what should happen? The game should stop. You're very correct. So let's go to controls. We're looking for stop all. Stop all. So when the time equals 0, what happens? The entire game will stop. So now let's drag our time to the right hand side. Okay, and I want us to right click on the time and set it to large readout. So right click on the time and put it as large readout. Large readout, so it's going to display way better. Now we want to test our game. Are you ready? So I want to see how many points you can score in 10 seconds. I want to see how many points, what your score is going to be, how many balloons can you pop in 10 seconds. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, go. Now let's pop, 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 pop. Time is going, time is going. How many can you pop? Yes, I got the 20. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. So did you also get the 20 in 10 seconds? Did you also get the 20 in 10 seconds? If you did, great job. And now, if you feel that your what's it called now? The game is too simple. You can always make it harder. How can you make it harder? First, you can give the players less time. So now you have 10 seconds, right? You can set it at 5 seconds. Okay, if you want, you can set the time to 5 seconds, or you can leave it as 10 seconds and then go to your balloon and increase the number of balloons that you have. So now if you put the balloon at 40, that's going to increase the number of balloons that the player would have to burst, right? And also you can make your balloons move faster. You can make your balloons move very, very fast and make your balloon move faster. So let's see, move 2 steps. Okay. So we want, and also you can make your balloon smaller. So there are ways in which you can make your what's it called? Your balloon move um very fast, or increase the player's time, or what else did I mention? Have more balloons, like right. So let's try to play the game again. So let's see, the balloons are moving faster. All right. So yes, how many can I get in? So I got 21 in 10 seconds. Yay, great job to me. So how many did you get? How many did you get? So let me know what you think and how your game is. So now so I want you to play the game a couple of times to see the difficulty. If you feel it's not difficult enough, even with everything that we have said, then I have a challenge for you in the next video. So jump right to it.